Good Monday, everyone. I hope your week's off to a wonderful start. It's certainly off to a sunny start. As we see on our weather map this morning, we see that cold front that moved through over the weekend. It's kind of charging into the southern Gulf this morning and off the eastern coast. That's going to leave us with sunny conditions and dry conditions for the start of our work week. We will have some winds, though, coming out of the backside of this system, though out of the north, and those will be a very dry wind. So please don't burn anything outdoors today. Just hold off on that and wait till a later date. And as a matter of fact, I'm pretty sure there's liable to even be some burn bans in effect today across much of Tennessee, as conditions are just too favorable for wildfires. Now, if you look to our north, you see more wintry precipitation across portions of Wisconsin. They've had a very wintry weekend. In fact, many areas in the upper Midwest, they went from highs in the 80s and even low 90s last week to over half a foot of snow this weekend. So yeah, it's been a wild weather week for those folks. Some showers across New England and some more snow showers across the Northwest. Our 5-day forecast looks pretty quiet. Got those windy conditions today, though, and that's going to, again, like I said, don't be burning anything outdoors today. Highs around 60. Tomorrow, about the same deal. Low humidity, some gusty winds, highs around 70. And then Wednesday, highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then winds start picking up again by Wednesday night into Thursday, highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then for Friday, maybe we'll start seeing some showers come into the picture. I don't know. I'm not too convinced at this point. I will say that rainfall totals for the next 7 days don't look like they'll even reach a ½ inch. So we're dry now. We're 2 inches, almost 2 inches below normal now. And so by the end of the week, you can only imagine that's only going to get worse. We get below normal quick this time of the year because we're supposed to get a lot of rain in the springtime. And plus all the vegetation is really drinking up all that water, so things dry out pretty quickly. You'll notice our overnight lows warm up significantly, though, from 40 tonight to mid to upper 50s for overnight lows by Thursday night. So a milder week coming as we move into this pattern of milder weather and sunnier weather. But my goodness, we need the rain. And looking at yesterday's weather statistics, of course, we had the high of 64, low of 42. But there's that rainfall deficit, negative 1.97 as of today. So tomorrow, that'll easily top 2 inches. And then we'll be 2 inches below normal and getting drier each day. On this day in 1885, a tornado occurs in Brentwood, just south of Nashville. 2 buildings, a church, are blown down and a large stable is lifted off its foundation. A large pile of railroad ties is blown over. Now that's significant. I don't know how familiar you are with railroad ties. That's a stiff breeze to knock those over, especially with them sitting on the ground. In 1922, a family of at least 6 tornadoes caused death and destruction along parts of a 210-mile path from Ogden, Illinois to Allen County, Ohio, killing 16 people. A postcard was carried 124 miles away. Now, those lighter objects can really travel when they get sucked up into those updrafts in the tornadoes, so that is phenomenal. Well, we don't have any severe weather to worry about today. We don't have any severe weather to worry about this week, but we do need to be concerned about it getting drier. Hopefully we'll get some rain before too long and replenish our rain gauges. You folks have a wonderful Monday. Keep looking up for more weather. Just keep reading along, meteorologistmark.com.